All right, so today you got free horsepower for your MX5. Everybody says there's no such thing as free horsepower. I'd argue that there is. Here's one thing I found on this car. This is the air cleaner off of it. As you can see, it's quite dirty. I guarantee you just a simple cleaning and this thing will make a few more horsepower. Everybody puts these filters on there and then never goes back and cleans them, and that's kind of the downside of them versus a stock air filter that will actually just provide you good clean air all the time and ease of replacement for it. Seeing that you got to pull the front bumper off on this MX5, it's a little bit tougher to get in there and clean the air filter, but it's seen a lot of dirt. I'll zoom in a little bit here. You can see just how dirty it is. On the other side, it's got some bugs and other crap in it. But these flow better when they're clean, but when they're not clean, they definitely don't. So taking this one off, I'm gonna clean it up and give the guy a few more horsepower. Have a great day.